Hello everyone, this is my topic about organizational structure and the rules. What is an organizational structure? This refers to the system or framework within which an organization arranges its workforce, hierarchy, communication, channels, and processes. It defines how tasks are divided, coordinate, and supervise to achieve the organization's goals. It can be centralized or decentralized, hierarchical or circular, and flat or vertical. Means an employee karayog nira makantigos sa nira job responsibilities, kung din sara mag-report, and kung paano sara makipag-interact sa iba na tao sa sulod sa organization. Next, we will tackle about the 6 types of organizational structures. Centralized organization. A centralized organization is a company wherein planning and decision making are solely focused on the leaders and highly levels of management. Which means tanan na decisions is nakadepende la sa na leader or kung sino ang ada sa highest position sa organization. Next is decentralized organization. It is one in which most decisions are made by mid-level or lower-level managers rather than made centrally by the head of the company. So it means that wala sa leader naging sunod an ira decision, an ira light sa sunod is mga mid-levels na ada sa position. Next is hierarchical organization. It has a direct chain of command from the top of the company to the bottom, which means there is a chain of command na tikang sa highest position like CEO down to the lowest like employees in junior roles. So, nagtitikang ang instructions sa igbaw paubos tas ang mga feedback or request tikang sa ubos pa igbaw. Next is circular organization. It puts leader of the organization at the center rather than the top so they can share information outward rather than pass it down a chain of command. So it means that ginaalaw nila an information outward to employees rather than sundon nila ang nakakataas na position. Gina-encourage nila an open communication and collaboration across different level in organization. Next is flat organization. It is a company with few or no hierarchical levels between employees, which means that all employees have essentially the same power and authority. So it means that pantay-pantay ang employees and direct ang report sa ira leader. Last, vertical organization. It has a strict hierarchical structure with power emanating from the top to the bottom, which means that an authority nagflow tikang sa top leaders down to the lower levels with a clear lines and decision making. Hindi na structure is a traditional structure like corporation, government agencies, and military institutions. Next, we are now in rules. Within an organizational structure refers to the specific job position and responsibilities that employees hold. These rules are often connected to a person, position within the hierarchy. So it means that each rule has a task and authority levels based on their position. There are common organizational rules. First, CEO or Chief Executive Officer, the highest-ranking executive in an organization responsible for making major corporate decisions and managing overall operation. It means siya ang responsible sa mga decision and overall management sa organization. Second is CO or Chief Operating Officer, oversees the day-to-day operations on the organization ensuring that everything runs smoothly. So, siya ang nagmamanage sa day-to-day operation, tas nag-ensure sa smooth functioning. Third is manager. Supervises a team or department, ensuring that goals are met and day-to-day tasks are completed. So, manager, siya nag-i-ensure sa tasks if tapos na and goals are met. So, team leader leads a small group with a department, usually using an specific task or project. So, siya ang nag-guide sa gugti na team on focusing on specific task or project. Last is staff or associate, entry-level or mid-level employees who execute daily tasks under the guidance of supervisors or manager. So, staff siraan mga employees na nag-execute sa daily task under supervision. That's all with my report. Thank you.